up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, straight off of work, bringing you another recipe. And y'all, this one is quick and easy. It makes a nice lunch if you're going to a picnic, if you're hanging out at the beach, or you just need something mid-shift or quick and easy when you get home off of work. So I'm going to show you how to make a shredded tofu sandwich. Disclaimer, I have made this sandwich several ways. It's really just kind of use what you got to make something shake. And so that's what we're doing here. I hope that you enjoy it. And so you got to keep watching the rest of this video to see how I make it. And you already know before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is press your tofu so it's nice and dry, and then I am just grating it over a bowl to get some nice thin pieces to make sure that each piece is coated with the seasoning we're going to do next. Probably would have been easier with a cheese grater, but didn't have that. This whole meal is about using what you got. Normally I would use smoked paprika, but I didn't have that, so I'm using regular. And then I'm going to go in with some olive oil. It's going to look like a lot of oil, but just let it happen and trust the process. Then you're going to see me going in with some salt and pepper. Do as little or as much as you like. Sometimes I don't even use salt and pepper. I just use a complete seasoning like Tony's or whatever. And then you're going to mix all of that together until it's well coated. There is going to be a slaw that goes on this, so you decide if you want your slaw to carry the flavor or if you want your tofu to. So I've got a parchment lined tray of my air fryer, and I'm just adding in that tofu mixture. And as I'm putting it in the air fryer, I'm just making sure to press it down because I want it to be even and flat. And now I'm just placing it into my air fryer, and I'm gonna set it for the air fry setting on 400 for 20 minutes, but it works really, really good in the oven on 450 for about 30 minutes. And so you'll see this is what it looks like at about halfway through. And then I'm going to start working on our slaw. And I use that term loosely. I am starting with some vegan mayonnaise, and then I'm going in with some onion powder and some garlic powder, and then some salt and a little bit of black pepper. Also some parsley and some dill and a little bit of chili powder. Going in with some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of plain unsweetened plant milk, and a little bit of some jalapeno juice. And then I'm going to give that a good stir before I add in the vegetables. Now, you can buy coleslaw mix in the bag, and I would recommend that over what I'm doing, but this is what I had. I had some purple cabbage and I had some carrots, so I just mixed that together. I've made this sandwich a couple of times, and every time it's a little bit different, if I'm being completely honest. Sometimes I don't even make a slaw, and I just add the carrots and the cabbage and then drizzle the sauce on top. So it's whatever you want to do. And then this is what it looks like completely cooled. And so I just got it on a bun with some avocado and some jalapenos. Let me know what you think in the comment section below and what other things you added when you made this sandwich.